How to configure macros. Go to Apps, Macro Configuration. Here, you can create new configuration by clicking here. Here, click on Create Configuration. Here you can provide configuration name and other configuration values. From here, you can create new schedule. Here, you can provide schedule name and type. Also, you can set frequency and daily frequency as per your requirements. Click on Save. From here, you can enable or disable, edit or delete your schedule. After saving, from here, you can edit, delete or disable your configuration.